Hey, future nurses. Have you ever pictured yourself living in a beautiful country with amazing food, rich culture, and fulfilling career opportunities? Well, Spain might just be the perfect fit for you. It's becoming increasingly popular for international nurses, and for good reason. But navigating the process of working in another country can seem daunting, which is why I'm here to break it down step by step, making your transition as smooth as possible. Get ready to say hola to an exciting new chapter in your nursing journey.
Before we dive into the specifics, let's make sure you're eligible to work as a nurse in Spain. First things first, language. While Spain doesn't require you to have the IELTS, you need to be able to communicate effectively with patients and colleagues. Aim for a B1 or B2 level in Spanish. Trust me, putting in the effort to learn the language will make your life so much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about your nursing qualifications. Spain has specific standards, so it's crucial to ensure your credentials are recognized. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds.
This process, called homologation, essentially means getting your nursing degree validated in Spain. It involves a bit of paperwork, but I promise it's worth it. You'll need a certified copy of your nursing degree academic transcripts. Make sure they're translated into Spanish by a certified translator, and proof of identity like your passport. You'll also need a statement outlining your nursing experience in your home country. Once you have everything, you can submit your application through the Spanish consulate in your home country or directly to the Spanish Ministry of Education's official channels. It's all about being organized and following the process carefully.
With your credentials validated, it's time for the exciting part: job hunting. Spain offers opportunities in both the public and private sectors. Public hospitals often require you to pass competitive exams called oposition. Don't let that intimidate you. It's just part of the process. The private sector, including hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes, might be a bit easier to break into. Consider using recruitment agencies that specialize in healthcare placements. They can be incredibly helpful in connecting you with potential employers.
Chapter 4. Application tips and understanding salary. When applying for jobs, tailor your CV to Spanish standards, highlighting your relevant experience and qualifications. Make sure it's written in fluent Spanish. Websites like InfoJobs and Indeed.es are great resources for finding nursing vacancies. Now, let's talk salary. The average monthly salary for a nurse in Spain is around €2,350. Keep in mind that this can vary based on your experience and location. Entry-level positions usually start around €1,410 per month, while those with more experience can earn up to €3,450 or more.
Chapter 5. Visa and work permit essentials. If you're an EU or EEA national, you're in luck. You can live and work in Spain without a visa, but you'll need to register for an NIE, which is a foreigner's identification number. For those coming from outside the EU, you'll need a work permit. The good news is that your employer will typically guide you through this process. Make sure you have all the required documentation, including your passport, visa application form, employment contract, and proof of qualifications. It's always best to double-check with the Spanish embassy or consulate in your home country to ensure you have everything you need.
Chapter 6. Register with the nursing board. Once you're settled in Spain, you'll need to register with the local nursing board known as the Colegio Oficial de Enfermería in the region where you'll be working. This is a mandatory step for all nurses in Spain. You'll need your validated nursing degree, proof of identity, your NIE or residency card, and proof of address in Spain. This registration ensures you're legally allowed to practice nursing in the country.
Title Relocation 101. Housing, banking, healthcare. Finding a place to live is always a top priority when moving to a new country. Websites like Idealista and Fotocasa are great resources for finding rental apartments in Spain. Be sure to start your search early and consider factors like proximity to your workplace and your budget. Next up, banking. It's essential to open a Spanish bank account to receive your salary and manage your finances. You'll need your NIE and proof of address to open an account. And of course, healthcare. Spain has a public healthcare system, but you might want to consider private health insurance for additional coverage and peace of mind.
Chapter 8. Integrate and Thrive in Spanish Healthcare. Congratulations! You've made it to Spain and are officially ready to embark on your nursing career. Now comes the exciting part, immersing yourself in the Spanish healthcare system. Take the time to familiarize yourself with Spain's healthcare protocols and workplace culture. Every country does things a little differently, and being adaptable is key. Never stop learning. Engage in continuous professional development to stay updated with the latest medical advancements and practices in Spain. This will not only enhance your skills, but also demonstrate your commitment to providing the best possible care to your patients.
Otro Your Spanish nursing adventure awaits. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to launching your nursing career in Spain. Remember, thorough preparation is key. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to navigating the process smoothly and making your dream of working as a nurse in Spain a reality. Spain offers a fantastic opportunity to grow professionally and personally. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the rewards that come with working in a new and exciting environment. Best of luck on your journey, and remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Please like, share, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport channel for more videos about international nursing careers.